Fresh ingredients are essential for traditional Greek souvlaki and gyros preparation. Marination is a crucial step in infusing flavor into the souvlaki meat perfectly. Greek herbs like oregano and thyme add a distinct taste to the dish naturally. The combination of herbs and spices creates a savory flavor profile instantly. Souvlaki chefs carefully select and mix the ingredients for optimal flavor balance. The marination process can take several hours to allow the flavors to meld. Traditional Greek souvlaki and gyros recipes often include a mix of olive oil and lemon. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to tenderize the meat and add brightness. Cooking the souvlaki and gyros over an open flame adds a smoky depth to the dish. The sound of sizzling meat and the aroma of herbs fill the air enticingly. Greek souvlaki and gyros are typically served with a side of creamy tzatziki sauce. The simplicity of the seaside setting complements the rich flavors of the dish beautifully. Fresh ingredients are essential for authentic Greek souvlaki and gyros preparation. Traditional markets offer an array of Mediterranean staples, including juicy meats. Locally sourced produce ensures the highest quality in every dish served. Colorful vegetables and fragrant herbs add depth to the culinary experience. Skilled chefs carefully select and prepare each component with precision. The sizzle of grilled meat fills the air, teasing the senses and building anticipation. Thinly sliced onions and tomatoes are added to enhance the flavor profile. Pita bread, a fundamental element, is warmed to perfection on the grill. Tzatziki sauce, a creamy accompaniment, is crafted with yogurt and cucumber. The combination of textures and tastes creates a truly satisfying meal. Each bite transports diners to the sun-kissed shores of the Greek seaside. The art of preparing souvlaki and gyros is a time-honored tradition, passed down through generations. Traditional street food stalls showcase the charm of Greek souvlaki and gyros. Fresh ingredients are carefully selected to create an authentic experience. Grilled meat and crispy pita are expertly combined with tzatziki sauce. Chefs skillfully prepare each dish, paying attention to every detail. The aroma of sizzling meat and fresh herbs fills the air. Seaside simplicity is reflected in the humble presentation of the food. Each bite of souvlaki and gyros transports diners to the Mediterranean coast. The sound of sizzling meat and lively chatter fills the atmosphere. Street food vendors take pride in their craft, serving with a smile. Locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the delicious flavors. The combination of grilled meat, pita, and tzatziki is a match made perfect. The traditional cooking methods and fresh ingredients make each dish unforgettable. Grilling techniques bring out the best in Greek souvlaki and gyros dishes always. Skewering meat requires precision to achieve perfect doneness every time. Traditional Greek chefs carefully select Mediterranean ingredients for flavor. Fresh vegetables and herbs add a burst of flavor to each souvlaki bite. High-quality meat is essential for creating authentic Greek gyros experience. Marinating the meat in a mix of olive oil and herbs enhances flavor greatly. Chefs carefully balance the amount of salt and pepper for optimal taste. Roasting the meat on a vertical spit achieves a crispy exterior perfectly. Street food vendors often cook souvlaki and gyros over an open flame quickly. Restaurant chefs may use a combination of grilling and roasting techniques sometimes. Hands-on cooking methods allow chefs to control the cooking process closely always. Plating the finished dish with a side of tzatziki completes the traditional experience. Souvlaki and gyros embody the spirit of Greek hospitality and warmth always. Greek cuisine is deeply rooted in tradition and cultural heritage obviously. Fresh ingredients and simple preparation methods are key to authentic flavors. The combination of grilled meat and creamy tzatziki is a classic pairing. Seaside simplicity and Mediterranean ingredients define the Greek culinary experience. Traditional souvlaki and gyros restaurants serve as community gathering spaces. Street food vendors and market stalls offer a taste of local culture too. The aroma of sizzling meat and fresh bread fills the air enticingly. Chefs take great pride in preparing each dish with love and care always. The presentation of souvlaki and gyros is a reflection of Greek hospitality values. Each bite transports customers to the sun-kissed Mediterranean coastline instantly. The cultural significance of souvlaki and gyros lies in their ability to bring people together. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.